Hi guys, welcome to my craft room. We're going to go inside. This is part one of a two-part series where I'm going to be sharing the transformation of the craft room. Here's our little puppies here. As you can see, there's carpet on the floor and we're going to be changing that out. The curtains I added, even though these are gold curtain rods, that's what was here before because I had custom curtains in here and I took those down. It used to be red in here and gold. And then I converted it from a formal living room to my current office slash craft studio. So sorry about that. I'm using an iPad because my phone is not cooperating today. So this is when you walk in the door. And this is my IKEA Kallax or Expedit. It's actually an Expedit before they changed it to the Kallax. It's two pieces together. And then there's my messy corner, which I have to figure out what to do with everything. And then here are these really nice Billy bookcases. They have all my stamps in there and all my dies. And I put the doors on, but I'm starting to regret I did that. But we're trying to figure out where to put that. So we may actually move it to this wall. And then put the IKEA unit on, put this unit on this wall. Sorry. This is the new floor that's going in. It's very natural color. It's not going to match outside, but I have French doors, so I think it'll be fine. I did want to have the same color, but because of resale value, but you know what? I don't think we'll be selling our house anytime soon, so here I am. That's just my stethoscope. That's old. I'm a nurse, so pictures of my parents. That's an extra light because today's a rainy day. So this is my computer where I do my work, my corporate work. I'm a nurse and I work in clinical research and oncology. And then there's a little area for our puppies there where they want to lay. It's just a pillow and a blanket, an old blanket, and one of their beds because one likes to be in the bed and one doesn't. This is a picture I just purchased from Home Goods. I'm going to be doing that wall navy. You can't really appreciate how bright it is here, but it is really pretty. And that wall's going to be navy. And then this is my that's my website. If you ever want to go on and check things out, creativelanedesigns.com. And then this is where I'm keeping, right now, it's just a mishmash of a lot of books, business books and nursing books, and then pictures of my kids. And this is all pictures that I have not scrapbooked yet, but I will be. And then this is even more pictures. I ran out of room. So I've been pulling them out because we're getting ready to redo this whole room. So as you can see, I'm probably going to paint this wall either a cream or I really would like to do a pale pink. And then, but I don't know how that's going to look. So I need to find the right pale pink. But this is the desk where I do all of my card making and scrapbooking. I'm actually in the middle of a project now. There's my Cricut, my trash can. But this is a great table. It's really nice because it's a stand-up, and then this is a stand-up chair that's adjustable. It's a bar height. So this is where I do, sorry, the news is on, the morning news. This is where I do all my Stampin' Up, any kind of card and scrapbook, Chalk Couture. We'll be getting back into Chalk Couture in July. And I'm going to be reorganizing this as well. As you can see, I have a lot of empty space because I can't get in that corner really well. So I think by moving this and getting more of these storage units here by Stampin' Storage, these here, I'm going to get more paper holders, and looks like I need more stamp holders as well. And then this is where I'm keeping all my ribbon right now down here. So that needs to go up on a wall. And then there's ribbon here. And this is just a mishmash of things. Some washi tape, a candle I made, and some things that the kids have bought me over the years. Yeah, that's it. I do keep ribbon in there. They're the big spools of ribbon. I really have no way to display those, so that's fine. This is really not being used. It just has some old stuff, and then my scrapbooking magazines, and then here's my punch holder, and then drawers. So I'm going to be converting some of these. There's my selfie machine. That machine is great. It's by Canon. You basically hook up your iPhone to that, and you can print pictures. So it's awesome. This is old paper, and down there are a bunch of embellishments here that I haven't been able to get into my binders there. And then this is all my scrapbooking paper that's in packs that I've gotten either at Michael's or AC Moore. And then inside here, inside here is a little, it's semi-neat. I have some old stamp sets down there that I'm going to give away to people who are on my team. And then I just use these so they kind of, these got thrown back haphazardly, so they really should be like that. They fell over because I still am ramping up my collection. These are the cards. I keep all my embossing stuff in here. I just used this recently, so that's all my embossing. And then these are old items that I need to get rid of. This also is old stamp sets that I'm going to be clearing out. And then these are stamp sets I want to keep. So, and this is all new. I'm going to do a product haul. All of this up here is new from the new Stampin' Up! Catalog. And we're going to do a product